Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. JISOO. Ever heard about her? Maybe, maybe not. She's a member of the South Korean group called Blackpink, alright? Yeah, recently she did her solo debut album. It's called A Mortgage. And this is the song called Tears, alright? This is not your typical guitar song, and as I mentioned before many times, I want to cover all sorts of songs here on Goring Guitar and to showcase how a guitar is playable in almost any scenario, any song, and this is one case of it. So, Jisoo's Tears, and yeah, she will be back here. She released a couple of songs from the new album, like I said. So we're gonna start with Tears. So you can see here, no need for any capo. We're gonna work mainly with 4 chords, but we need to throw in 2 more for handling the bridge part later on. So let's go over the chords, and we're gonna start with the G minor. So you're gonna place your index finger on the 3rd fret and bar all strings there, okay? And then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. Next chord is the C, and that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have another bar chord next. This is the F. You place your index finger now on the 1st fret and push down the same all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then we have the D minor, and you place open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And with that, you have the 4 main chords. It rolls almost through the entire song. But then we have the bridge part, so we need to throw in this A sharp. I'm gonna go with the sus version of it. So it's another bar. You play now on the 1st fret, but you only play the first 5 strings, so you can neglect the last E string in the bass there. And then you need to add 3rd on D and 3rd on G. That's the A sharp. And then we also have the A. And that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern, and it's based upon the strumming you can clearly hear at 2 minutes and 28 seconds into the song. It goes like this. Okay, so it's, if you grab the G minor chord, since that is the 1st chord, it's down, up, clap, like this. So you're going to start with down, up, clap, down. A short pause and then a clap. That's it. So down, up, clap, down, clap. Down, up, clap, down, clap. Okay, so you're going to do one of these string rows per chord in the order G minor, C, F, and D minor. Like this. Alright, so there you have it. That is the main playing of this song. But then at 2 minutes and 13 seconds in, we have the bridge part. This is where you're going to throw in the A sharp and the A as well. So what you're going to do here is to play down, clap for each and every chord. So you're going to start with A sharp. You can do a clap on all the strings or just kick on the E string with your thumb or so. And in that way, you're going to let all the other strings ring out from the chord. I would suggest the last thing here, the last version. So down, clap. You can hear the guitar ring out there still. So since we don't have a lot of action here, just one down, that I believe is the best scenario. So down, clap. So 1 on the A sharp, 1 on C, 1 on D minor, and 1 on F. And then 1 on A sharp, 1 C, 1 A. And that's it. So A sharp, clap, C, clap, D minor, clap, F, A sharp, C, then A. Longer pause there, and then comes the main back again. The G minor, C, F, and D minor. So that is what you're gonna play when you play JISOO's Tears. If you like her, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Songs from her will be back here for sure. And this is just the first one. Tears, good luck with that one. And until next time, play tuned.